I want to help you understand just how affluent this community actually was. Black Wall Street was in Greenwood, Oklahoma, and this was the home to over 100,000 African Americans. These were previously slaves who had come to this place for a new life, and they built this community from the ground up to having over 600 businesses operating at this time. There were luxury shops, 21 restaurants, 30 grocery stores, a hospital, a savings and loan, a post office, 3 hotels, jewelry and clothing stores, 2 movie theaters, a library, a pool hall, a bus and cab service, a nationally recognized school system, 6, count them, 6 private airplanes, and 2 black newspapers. That's crazy. It makes me wonder what our lives would be like today if Greenwood, Oklahoma had have never been destroyed.